Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl D. This is my first video of 2024. It's crazy. So much has went on. And let's ignore like the super part. I don't know, my hair was just like in a crazy bun up here and I wanted to not have it like so much, so I just put it down here. But y'all, I haven't vlogged in so long. I've posted a few videos recently, but they're from the middle of last year. Like I honestly barely yesterday posted a vlog from August, and then I have one more September vlog I want to post, and I haven't vlogged anything at all after that, which is crazy because I always vlog, and the fact that it's been like months and months that I haven't vlogged is kind of crazy. But I want to really focus this year on like recording a video, editing it, and posting it like within a week, 2 weeks max. Like it takes me way too long to upload videos, and it's just because I've always vlogged, so I have all this footage, but I like time-wise to edit, that takes so long. So I feel like because I haven't edited anything, or I'm sorry, because I haven't recorded anything recently, like I'm not like super behind. Like I'm not like still editing old videos, and I did that on purpose because I really told myself like, bro, like let's just focus on the moment, and instead you're like doing this from before. So yeah, that's what we're gonna try to do this year. So I just got back from Texas. I literally got back a few days ago, and I was there for New Year's. So I started the year there. I think it's el del correo. Okay, so when I was in Texas, I mailed myself stuff. It's literally Christmas. Okay, let's open this. Álgame Dios, no, pues el tape que usan los del correo, álgame Dios. A ver, ¿qué vamos a estrenar? My mom gave me this because she was like, ¿es tuyo o es mío? And I'm like, I mean, I'll wear it, because I'm not gonna lie, I like that the sleeves are not as long, because doing hair, long sleeves kind of get annoying. And then miren mi bufanda nueva, la agarré del Ross, pero es Michael Kors. No, but I need a thick one, because my little scarf that I have, bro, pobrecita, like, it's not that thick. I need one that's like, there we go, this is more like it. So I want to focus like maybe one day a week, like do something new. Maybe that should be my life, like, or my yearly goal is like try something new once a week, whether that be a new restaurant, a new hiking place, a new. So my camera died, but not gonna lie, I've been thinking a little bit ever since like honestly like the last hour of the content I want to do, and like realistically I don't see myself exploring like 5 new places this week. Like I literally work tomorrow, so I'm thinking, I'm like, okay, what's something that I can record that will be easy to post? So I do have one girl that I follow on YouTube, and I love her content, and she did for a little bit just her outfits of the week, and something I'm like, that honestly might be a good video to do, especially like since I want to be like a little bit more consistent about recording and then posting them sooner than later. So I'm thinking, I mean, tomorrow I work, and then I work the next 4 days, so it's 4 outfits right there. So I'm thinking, what if I just recorded a week of outfits? Because that is the thing I lack in my YouTube, is like, I'm not consistent. So I'm gonna do the September vlog first, and that one was nice. A little bit of hockey updates. We celebrate our anniversary, because our anniversary is in September. And then I'm gonna post this video that I'm recording right now, which is this one I'm sure I'll just like name it like life update, you know, chit chat type of thing. And then I'm gonna try to record outfits of the week this week. Then after that one, I'm thinking I could do a daily vlog, or I see a lot of girls post like living alone in Los Angeles and living alone in New York, so maybe I can try that, like living alone in Colorado, and that one can be a daily vlog of one of my days off. And I could do a workout class, record a high protein breakfast. Because if y'all don't know, I work at a gym. Like I'm a hairdresser, but I work inside of a gym, and it's like the fanciest gym you can probably ever gonna go to. So they have workout classes, and I really want to do better about taking workout classes this year. This year I'm going to, because I only have taken a few, and they're so good. But yeah, this video is probably like super long, so I'm gonna end it here. If y'all want to see any of my other videos, I'll put them in a folder like first year of living here in Colorado. But yeah, I hope y'all have a good day. Make sure you eat clean and work out. That's super important too. I'll talk to y'all later. And if y'all want to follow me on my Instagram, my TikTok, I do post like randomly on there, so y'all can follow me there if y'all want. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.